Good morning dear friends. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.1 of class 9. First question. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So they are asking you 0 is rational number or not. See, definitely yes, it is a rational number. Why? See, the 0 we can write it in the form of p by q. 0 upon 1 can you write? 0 upon 7 you can write. Why? 0 upon any value will be 0 only. 0 upon 100 also we can write it. It will give you what? 0 only. That's why a number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Check here. Q is not equal to 0. That's why we can tell that it is what? Rational number. Question number 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Do you know the definition of rational number? We already seen in the introduction. See, this non-terminating but recurring numbers are called what? Rational numbers. Otherwise, terminating decimal expansion numbers are called what? Rational numbers. A number which can be written in the form of p by q, then I can tell that it is what? Rational number. From these three, anyone you can write. See, I am writing terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion numbers are called rational numbers. Yes. So we can write like that form 3 and 4. Between that, what are the terminating decimal expansion numbers are there? See, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6. These are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Any numbers you can write that should be lies between 3 and 4. So question number 3. Here I am going to find out 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. See, I already told you terminating decimal expansion numbers are called rational numbers, or otherwise I already told you one more definition. A number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. And non-terminating but recurring numbers are called what? Rational numbers. From these three, anyone you can write it. So here I am writing 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. Between that I need 5 rational numbers. So I am multiplying 10 up and down so that the value will not be changed. The same way, here also multiply by 10 up and down so that the value will not be changed. 3 upon 10, that is 30. 5 upon 10, what it is? 50. And here 4 into 10, that is 40. 5 into 10, it is what? 50. So between 30 upon 50 and 40 upon 50, we can write 5 rational numbers very easily. See, 31 upon 50 can you write? 32 upon 50 can you write? 33 upon 50, 34 upon 50, 35 upon 50, like that. Any numbers you can write it between 30 upon 50 and 40 upon 50. These are the 5 rational numbers. That's your answer. Question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answers. First one. Every natural number is whole number. Every natural number is whole number. Every natural number is whole number. Definitely it is right. Why? See, do you know what is natural numbers? That numbers are starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And whole numbers that start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. See, check that. Every natural number is in whole number. Yes, definitely all the natural numbers are in whole number. That's why this statement is true. Second one. Every integer is whole number. every integer is whole number. See, this statement is wrong. Why I am telling that it is wrong? What does mean by integer? We already seen. Collection of positive numbers, negative numbers including 0. See, 1, 2, 3 like here, -1, -2, -3 like that. Okay. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that goes on. Now you check that these all the positive numbers and including 0 you will see in whole numbers. But the negative numbers will not be there in whole number. That's why this statement is wrong. Go for third option. Every rational number is whole number. Every rational number is whole number. This statement is totally wrong. Why it is wrong? You know that the definition of rational numbers. A number which can be written in the form of p by q. Terminating decimal expansion numbers are called rational numbers. Non-terminating but recurring numbers are called what? Rational numbers. For example, I am writing this is 1 by 2, 0.7 or 1.3 bar. These are rational numbers. What is a whole number? You know that a number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that goes on. See, 1 by 2, that is what? Fraction number. Can you see this fraction number in whole number? No. That's why this statement is wrong. Thank you.